that suddenly brings you here. See, there's no road to here, because you're already there. And if you ask me, how am I going to get here? All I can say is it's the wrong question. Because the very fact that you're wanting to attain it is the only thing that prevents you from getting there. You already have it. To the degree that you go with a stream, you're flowing with it. But to the degree you resist the stream, then you notice that the current is rushing past you and fighting you. Go over that waterfall when it comes, just as you go over any other waterfall, just as you go on from day to day, just as you go to sleep at night.